Hello, friends. A warm welcome to my subscribers and to Today, I have a short video for you on the subject of scratch building. In its purest form, scratch building refers to designing your own model and making all the parts needed to create that model. In this video, I'll show you how scratch building techniques can be applied to building useful items as well as scale models. Specifically, this video is about a very simple project to build your own spray booth. Whether you like painting with an airbrush or a rattle can, using a spray booth is always a good idea. Why? Both spray painting methods produce great finishes, but have a potential problem: overspray. The fine airborne paint particles from an airbrush or rattle can end up coloring your workspace as well as your model. Painting your models inside a spray booth eliminates the overspray problem. I'm sure some of you are asking, why build a spray booth when you can buy one? To you I say, why buy one when you can have the fun of building your own? It's a quick and easy DIY project and has the advantage of giving you a booth that's exactly the size you want or need. Based on the average size of the models you build most often, decide how large or small your spray booth needs to be. Be sure that your dimensions will fit in your workspace. Next, select your materials. I'm making my booth from styrene plastic. If you don't have access to plastic sheets large enough for the booth you want to build, you can always use heavy corrugated cardboard. The overall process for working with cardboard will be the same as what you see in this video, except that you'll use adhesives made for bonding paper products. And your last step will consist of lining the inside of your booth with a moisture-resistant material, like wax paper or aluminum foil. To get started, cut your plastic or cardboard into panels that match the dimensions that you decided on. You need to cut one panel to be the floor of your booth, one panel for the back wall, and two panels for the side walls. Also, one narrow panel for the top of the booth. My booth is going to be roughly 12 inches tall, 12 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. That means my floor panel needs to be 12 inches long and 9 inches wide. I'll cut a 12 by 12 inch panel for the back wall, plus two 12-inch high by 9-inch wide panels to use as the side walls of the booth. If you're building with plastic and trying this project, I recommend using sheet styrene at least 040 thick. As you'll see, I'm going to laminate two sheets of plastic together to make the back and side walls of my booth. This will make my booth sturdier. But you can skip the laminating step by using sheets of 060 or 080 thickness, as these will be stiff enough. To securely join the panels making up my spray booth, I'm using Plastruct L-beams. You can usually find these on eBay. Look for Plastruct item number 90507. While my laminated panels are setting up, I'm cutting some Plastruct L-beams to size. I'll need one section of L-beam to join the floor of the booth to the back wall, and one section to join each side panel to the floor. That's a total of 3 sections. You also need 2 sections of L-beam to join the side panels to the back wall. For extra strength, I'm using 4 L-beams for this, placing 2 of them on the inside of the booth and 2 on the outside. The extra 2 beams are optional. Okay, now build your booth. Follow the video and join the panels you've made together. Well, here's my finished spray booth. It's just an open-faced box, but it will help keep my workspace clean, and it's rugged enough to last me a very, very long time. Well, that's it for this little video. I hope it may have inspired a few of you to try your hand at scratch building, particularly scratch building something that you can use to help with your model building projects. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found the video informative and useful. So please take a moment to click the like button and subscribe to my growing channel. Well, if you haven't joined already. Thanks again. See you soon.